Hello. I just replaced the dryer belt on my electric Whirlpool dryer and now there is a burning smell.
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's about 14 years old. The model is LED 6400 KQ1.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I've already replaced the belt and the wheel that holds the belt in place. It never smelled before this repair. I was hoping that maybe it was lint that was burning on the heating element coils when I was cleaning inside, since it was already open. How long do you think it would be safe for me to run the dryer to see if the burning smell goes away if it was lint that fell inside?
I'm trying to find the right appliance technician for you right now. As soon as they are ready, I will let you know.
Okay. Thanks.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. I just need some advice on whether or not I need to replace the coils or temp gauge or if it's just residual lint that needs to burn off.
Hello, I'm Joel and we'll be glad to help you today. As long as the dryer tub is turning properly and the dryer blower wheel is blowing strong, then just let it run and the smell should go away after a while. Just make sure you don't see any smoke. Odds are it's exactly what you said it is. You moved dust around cleaning it and it's just burning off the coil. Pretty common. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge even after you have rated my service if you still need assistance. Tips are not expected but are very much appreciated.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.